Hi, it's John here from Mindset Universe, and a big welcome to today's video, which is all about healthy foods and how they can, really give you a healthy mind, help you get calm and get rid of all that anxiety and what have you. So let's move on to 7 great healthy foods. Now, believe it or not, there are certain foods. I'm going to introduce you to 7 of these foods which are known for promoting calmness in your mind and body, and I think some of these foods will surprise you on how effective they actually can be. And the first one is asparagus. Now, whether or not you've tried asparagus before, it's got a bit of an acquired taste, but personally I find it gorgeous. But it's also rich in what they call tryptophans. Now, excuse my pronunciation if I've got that wrong, but I think it's roughly there. But tryptophan, it's what they call a serotonin aid. And serotonin is an element in your body which can help to balance your mood, your sleep patterns, and basically make you feel happier and more calm. So, as a consequence, that can get rid of any sort of problems, like I say, like anxiety or panic, and it's a great food to help to do this. Second suggestion here is turkey. Now, it also contains tryptophan, which again means it's brilliant as a sleep aid and to stabilize your mood. And the best part as well is if you have turkey with asparagus, they're absolutely gorgeous to put on the same plate together. So this is definitely something to try. The third food, which is really, really great for reducing stress, is Shiitake mushrooms. Now, Shiitake mushrooms, they're absolutely full of vitamin C, and this can really help with your mood, your stress levels, and again your sleep. So this is really worth trying. The fourth thing to try here, and you can try this on salads. I mean, I put olive oil on probably too much food, but it's absolutely gorgeous. Extra virgin olive oil, and try and make sure it's extra virgin. You'll get the most benefit from the olive oil if it's extra virgin. Now, extra virgin olive oil, it can reduce inflammation in your body, and this has a huge impact on your brain, and it makes you more able to handle normal daily tension in your mind and your body. It helps you calm your mind and body, and again, like I said at the beginning, because this is such a versatile oil, you can add it onto so much of your food, not just your salads. So give this a go. Number 5 is tuna. I love to have tuna on a jacket potato with some mayonnaise and a bit of salad on the side. It's absolutely gorgeous, and this again has anti-inflammatory properties, and it's rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Now, our brains need a great deal of healthy fat to work efficiently, and this is where tuna can really come into its own. So try and include it in your diet, and like I say, it's very tasty, and it can really improve your brain health. Number 6 tip is chamomile tea. Now, you probably see chamomile listed as the main ingredient for a lot of nighttime teas, and that's because chamomile is known for having a huge effect on relaxing the mind and helping the body wind down. That should promote some better sleep as well, which will of course make you feel better in the morning. Now, the next time you're feeling stressed, especially if your body is feeling like it needs a real good boost of calm and to get back to some sort of normality, try some chamomile tea. Probably my favourite is dark chocolate, and this is the suggestion number 7. And again, we're saving the best for last here, aren't we? So dark chocolate is sweet, and of course, you probably don't want to eat a ton of it, and a little does go a long way. So try and reduce the amount you eat, but have some. Now, dark chocolate has been shown to increase your resistance to anxiety, so your levels will just start to come down. It supports brain function hugely. So eating a little bit of dark chocolate can help increase your levels of serotonin, and again, serotonin will balance your mood and help reduce anxiety and any sort of panic and get you back to a sense of calm. So that's my big suggestion there, is try and give some dark chocolate a go. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I really hope you found it helpful. Now, one thing I need to make you aware of is that we've got some great free content and some brilliant exclusive resources in the video description. So take a look down there. There's bound to be something which will really help you even further. And also, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you subscribe to the channel, then you'll be one of the first to get notified when a new video is released. And if you've got any comments about the video, you want to get involved in the conversation, then don't forget to head down to the video comments section as well. So again, thanks for watching, and as always, try not to worry when you don't have to.